Meet James. James suffers from inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, which requires him to be under medical follow-up. Although he was careful about nutrition and routine testing, to him life looked like a roller coaster of uncertainty. James made follow-up appointments at irregular intervals, but mainly based on a gut feeling. The hospital tests took a significant amount of time and were unpleasant. During outbreaks of the illness, he was in pain and frustrated. Then James heard about CalproSmart, a proven home test that identifies raised levels of calprotektin, which may indicate an imminent inflammatory outbreak. The test kit includes everything needed to perform the test, and it only takes 15 minutes. The test's app provides step-by-step guidance, and the test results are then sent via the app directly to the laboratory or to the attending physician. So why CalproSmart? It's a proven and reliable home test. Test results are available in 15 minutes. Results are sent immediately for diagnosis. Step-by-step guidance from the purchase of the kit until receipt of the results. For a better quality of life, order CalproSmart Home Kit through the website or over the phone.